ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the king of romance, the very charming and charismatic Shah Rukh Khan.
Sorry, deep heartfelt apologies. I found very sick. I have a little bit of a fever and I've been traveling a lot, so been bedridden and cold, so really doing because of my sinuses. But it has been a big ride for me when I've joined Lux, so I'd like to say a few words. It's one of the best opportunities of work, business with pleasure, as they say. The first time when they did their ad with me, I was put in a tub with 4 or 5 of the most beautiful women in the world. And they didn't bathe me, but it was close to having that fantasy fulfilled. And post that, I think I'm one of the few men in the world, maybe the second only or the third, who's ever, much to the chagrin and jealousy of Bhardwaj here. We all have been working so hard, but I'm the one who gets to have the most fun. And one of the oldest brands, one of the most known brands perhaps in the world, and to get an opportunity to work in a brand which normally is not associated with men, and to be able to pull it off or do it in a way that is entertaining, that is creative, and of course sends the message of beauty and the excellence that this brand stands for. So thank you, Lux. Thank you all the ladies. The last one was with Katrina when we had finished Jab Tak Hai Jaan, and the Bekabul campaign, which was also very beautiful, where the smell of the lady or the scent of a woman makes you realize that she is a Lux.
Lux soap, yeah. There is no other soap even for germs, yeah. So from my side, have a good wash with the Lux soap, young lady, whoever comes on stage and whenever you shake hands with me. But God bless you, and thank you for your patience. Thank you very much.
Okay, all right. You have been and have been having a long association with Lux. Will you tell us how your journey has been and how does it feel working with Lux again? I know you said a little bit already. You mentioned how it's been and working like.
I don't feel shy or embarrassed saying this. I've said this very often. I'm not one for, I don't know, male soaps and male shampoos and stuff. You always have things for the ladies, or at least advertised the beauty products to the ladies. So since childhood, it's been a big thing that one has always used Lux. It's like a household name. There are certain brands in this country all around the world which you grew up with, and Lux in a certain sense is synonymous with soaps. That's how you grew up thinking. So for me, the opportunity when it arose, I was sitting, I think, I forget the lady, but I think one of the brand managers had come down to talk to one of the heroines I was working with in one of the studios, and they were sitting and chatting, and I said, come have lunch with me, and we were all sitting together having lunch, and I said, what is this? How come I've never used for Lux? And so we all had a good laugh, but that lady went back, and she came back after 6 months, and she says, you know what, we have all sat down and discussed it, and said we've never used a man, at least in India, for a soap, and for Lux soap especially, so we'd like you to participate in it, and it was great fun, So since then, apart from the fact of the number of ads I've done with them, or the participation I have with Lux directly or indirectly, I think even in terms of tying up with my films and the projects that we do, they've always been very forthcoming. I think all of them, the whole team at Lux is fantastic. They get international people to make the ads, they get the best teams possible. So as an actor, also it's very heartening to go down to the sets and shoot. So all in all, yeah. And the last time I was here, I think the international team came and made us even smell the soaps. And I chose my own one. This is the best one, and so they kind of marketed like the one that we've chosen, the Khushbu Kar De Bekabul wala campaign. I can be very modest and say I don't make films for records, and it's very nice. And you just do a film and people like it. I think somewhere down the line, the thought is that you have perhaps one of the finest commercial filmmakers in our country, Rohit Shetty, doing the film. You have a wonderful actress like Deepika, and the rest of the team that comes on board from the production side, UTV especially, to help us out. One had thought that we'd be able to make a film which will be viable for everyone to see. So the happiness comes out of the fact that the numbers of people who went to see it, the families, it was a family film, they went to see it, is very, very heartening. And I said that right there, the business has changed. Every Friday, I think films are going to create records. We can't sit pretty on it. We can't, start. I've always said this: to work for posterity or prosperity, either of it never works in films. So it'll be stupid of anyone to believe that this is a great record and it'll stand the test of time. I think I would like every next film to come and break it because it increases business, which means it's fantastic for the film industry. You get more monies and you can make bigger, better films. But that's the whole thing. That when you make money with a film, you've got to make bigger and better films. You can't keep on keeping it for private profits. I think that's the main thing. So that happens with most of the filmmakers. All of them are very honest, earnest. Even commercial cinema makers, they want to take that money and put it back. So Chennai is good. It helps me as a producer to think of a bigger and better film. So inshallah, I'll be able to.
Worked with Deepika twice before, and you will be working with her again in Happy New Year. How was she to work as a co-star?
She started off with me as an actor, the first film, debut film, Om Shanti Om. And from then onwards, it was like an unsaid thing that she's going to be a big star. She had all the trappings, she's hardworking, she's really good looking, she's got all the talent. And whatever you need to be an actor of caliber. Of course, she needed a bit of experience. And from Om Shanti Om to recently when I saw her films like Cocktail and Ye Jawani. And she's really grown as an actor in terms of stature, in terms of confidence. So by the time she came into Chennai, I have no qualm, I really feel there's no qualm saying the fact that I think 60 to 70% of the beauty of Chennai Express is because she enacted that role. She stood actually as the what represents South India. So if she wasn't endearing, if she wasn't the way she was in the film, if she wasn't as bakwas as she was in the film, I don't think a lot of people would have found the region, the whole regional differences so endearing and beautiful. So I think it's been a great honor, and God bless her. And yeah, the new film also, I think she's quite nice. I've been thinking why she isn't, and so she should be. And I've got to know that they give a yearly supply of Lux soap to their brand ambassadors. So my deal with her, at least now, will be during Happy New Year, that half of them, if you can send them to me, I can use them, because these guys don't send it to me. But she's going to be completely befitting. Like I said, big stars, big achievers. See, more than the beauty of a woman, I think Lux has stood for the woman of substance always. And these are achievements. We only look at women in terms of beauty when we see them in films or ads or wherever, And that's the first thing that comes through, and mashallah, that is very nice. But behind that beauty, there is a huge amount of hard work, there's a sense of achievement, and I think Lux stands for that whenever they choose them as a brand ambassador. I think Deepika fits the bill to the T, and I wish her all the best. I wish, and I can assure Lux they'll have a great association with her because of her professionalism, and she's a supermodel, so she knows that stuff also. So she's much better on the live shows and advertising and everything. So it'll be a great union, I think. Congratulations to both of them. Okay. I just want to say, there's some names here. How many are there? 20, 30, yeah? But 20 names are here, and I'm going to choose one, which does not mean the other 19 or the thousands who haven't made it here. I feel bad doing this, choosing one person to come on stage, but it's a competition, don't take it personally. So for all of those who did not make it here, out of the 20 here or the thousands who don't make it on stage, I would like to dedicate this line from Dil Wale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge to them, because that scene is कि फिक्र मत करना सेनोरिटा, अगर तुम्हारा नाम यहाँ पर आज नहीं चुना गया तो, क्योंकि ऐसे बड़े-बड़े शहरों में ऐसी छोटी-छोटी बातें होती रहेंगी. So and yeah, so might as well. It's been a long time. It's been a big journey actually. Trains have been lucky for me, and they've been really nice from Dilwale onwards. So for all the ladies who don't make it on stage, a little bit of a song, Diddy too. I can't sing the song, but what the hell? If a film runs for 20 years, you can do anything from it, and people like it. हिंदी में हम बात करेंगे. अंग्रेजी की लाइन तो मैं भी सीख के पीछे से आता हूँ. मुझे तो आती नहीं बाकी अंग्रेजी. Okay.
Congratulations.
वाला हिंदी, फ्रेंच, चाइनीज, क्या तमिल, तेलुगु, कुछ भी ऐसे बस गए लगे रहते हैं और खत्म हो गई बात. आप क्या करती हैं? पहले अपना नाम बताएं सबको.
मेरा नाम ज़ैनब परवीन है, मैं हाउस वाइफ.
और कहाँ से हैं आप ज़ैनब?
मैं साकिर नगर से आई हूँ.
और शादी कब हुई आपकी?
2000 में शादी हुई.
बच्चे हैं आपके?
एक बेटा है, एक बेटी.
कितने साल के?
एक 8 साल का है और एक 5 साल का.
दोनों यहीं पर हैं? Okay, hi baby, how are you? जुल्फों की लहराती अंगड़ाइयाँ, नहीं भूलूंगा मैं जब तक है जान, जब तक है जान। एंड माई लव टू यू, योर फैमिली, योर सन हु इज़ नॉट हियर। और मैं आपके सारे परिवार के लिए दुआ करता हूँ कि वो हेल्दी रहें, खुशहाल रहें और हमेशा खुश रहें। और बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कि आपने इस लक्स के लक्स यूज़ करती हैं आप?
जी जी।
आपको भी बैक स्टेज सिखाया गया था ये कि बोले? चलो सबके सामने बोलो, मैं सबसे लंबा आदमी हूँ जिससे आप मिली।
जी
ओके।
सबसे लंबे आदमी।
ओके, तो आप लक्स यूज़ करती हैं। तो अब आज के बाद अगर नहीं करती तो क्या कीजिएगा? और थैंक यू वेरी मच। आपने क्या कंपटीशन में क्या लिखा था, क्या करना था उसके अंदर?
जी मैंने तो कुछ लिखा ही नहीं, सिर्फ मतलब कॉल किया था और मैं चुनी गई। ये तो मेरा नसीब है।
अच्छा, इसके अंदर सिर्फ कॉल करके बात करने जो मेरी रिकॉर्डिंग सुननी थी उसमें।
अब सच होना हो गया और कुछ नहीं। लग रहा है कि ऐसा बहुत दिनों का ख्वाब आज सच हुआ है।
तो अब गाएंगे मेरे ख्वाब में जो आए।
जी जी ज़रूर गाऊंगी।
प्लीज।
मेरे ख्वाबों में जो आए, आके मुझे छेड़ जाए, उसे कहो कभी सामने तो आए। मेरे ख्वाबों में जो आए। थैंक यू।
यू सिंग ब्यूटिफुली। और आप क्या करती हैं घर में? सिर्फ काम करती हैं? दुआ बच्चों को पढ़ाएं, पढ़ा लिखा के उनको बड़ा करें और वो आपकी देखभाल करें उसके बाद। ओके? अरे डोंट लाइक दिस।
तो चलिए लेट्स गो ऑन अ हैप्पी नोट और हम ये जर्नी शुरू करें। अब तैयार हैं जरीना जी? ठीक है, तो मैं शाहरुख को रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि शाहरुख ट्रेन के अंदर वेट और आप इस तरह हो जाइए प्लीज। ठीक है, तो यू हैव टू वेट, यू गो इनसाइड दिस हियर, सो यू हैव टू वेट बिहाइंड द डोर। आइए जरीना जी।
किस तरफ से भागेंगी आप?
तो
इधर से आएंगे आप?
नहीं, यहाँ से, यहाँ
Okay,
से। ठीक है, आप तैयार है? आपको पता है आपको क्या करना है? दौड़ के जाना है, लेकिन आपको पता है कैसे दौड़ेंगे आप? दिखाइए, एक बार दिखाइए कैसे दौड़ेंगे आप। सिर्फ मुझे देखना है कैसे दौड़ेंगे आप। अरे वाह, परफेक्ट। ठीक है, तो मिल्खा की तरह नहीं भागना है, ठीक है? बहुत बॉलीवुड हीरोइन जैसा, ठीक है? वसुदा शेट्टी, तस्नीम खान, तेजश्री ठाकुर, मनीषा कोरडे, सिमरन नागदेव, समीक्षा महात्रे, वर्षा गायकवाड़, सलमा शेख एंड तबस्सुम खान।
मसला हो सिंपल या फिर काम।
Clap for these lucky winners, ladies and gentlemen.
I think अभी क्या हो गया, इतने सारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं, इतने सारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं फिल्म को रिलीज करने के लिए। इन्फॉर्मेशन अगर हम ना भी चाहें तो फिल्म कितनी जल्दी पहुंच जाती है। दैट आई थिंक इट वाज only a natural scheme of things that there won't be 100 days, there won't be silver jubilees, there won't be golden jubilees. The businesses will shrink into lesser period of time. Also, number of theaters have increased like 10 times, 15 times since Dilwale Aayenge, maybe more. You know, so I think the business still remains the same. Only the results are out faster. I'm sure even examinations are like this, you know, because things are digitized. Earlier you had to wait for things. Now you go apply for a job, you can answer back even online sometimes. You know, you apply for a thing, you can buy things online. So I think the speed is different, but the enjoyment for a film is same. Though of course I am completely in disagreement with, you know, numbers thrown. There are too many analysis, and I keep saying this again. बहुत ज़्यादा information फिल्मों के बारे में अब ऑनलाइन आ जाती है. The idea should be to be able to sift and choose the right one, so that the right film gets the credit that which it deserves. You know? So I think that's one thing that is important. But the enjoyment of a hit film is amazing, yeah, because you can feel it in the air more than the numbers, more than the analysis, more than the critical appraisal. I think I can feel a hit film in the air. कि लोग जो होते हैं कैरेक्टर नाम बुलाने लगते हैं, सड़कों के ऊपर गाने बजने लगते हैं. I think that's the main feeling. To me, for 22 years, a big hit film is felt in the air around wherever I am, more than really the number of days or the numbers that are set. So looks forward to. तो वो हो गया माशाल्लाह. I thank everyone for it being so good. और टीवी पे जो हमारी कंपनी है, जो ZTV, उन्होंने जब हमको कहा, सो आई रिमेंबर जिस दिन लास्ट डे हमने वो एक फंक्शन किया था पूरी टीम के लिए. सो दे मेट मी एंड दे हैव टेकन इट एट अ वेरी हाई प्राइस. and they've taken a big chance before the release of the film. तो मैंने उनसे बोला यार इंशाल्लाह हमारा अच्छा हो गया, अब चाहूँगा कि टीवी पे भी अच्छा हो. So they told me we will do better business than what you've done in the theatre. So I hope it does. But more than that, because it's a family film, I think it'll be releasing on Sunday tomorrow. Yeah, so I hope everyone has a happy Sunday tomorrow and enjoys it with the family.